For the wet on wet, but you're adding salt, using the same technique that you did in the other two. By now, if your your water has some color to it like mine does, it's okay to change your water if you'd like to have some new water. But if you don't mind it, or if you're just going to stick with the same similar color, you can stick with what you have. I'm going to drop some purple into this. And for the wet on wet, but you're adding salt, the more color that you have, the more the effect is going to happen after it dries. And if you want to add two colors, you can. If you want to stick with one, that's fine too. Take the opportunity here to try something out if you want to have a thought in your head. But you really want to fill the space with some color. And then once you have the color to your liking, then you're going to get some salt. The salt is in these little containers. You only need a little bit. And then you're going to sprinkle the salt over the color and allow that to dry. So that needs to dry. But what's going to happen is that you're going to start to see the color pull towards the salt. And then that texture is going to be there once it dries in your final painting. So allow the salt to dry with the paint, and then that texture will show later, and you'll just brush the salt off.